嗰個好肉酸，電梯。Hello, happy Valentine's Day, bitch. Another. I hate you. So today we're gonna be baking. We're gonna bake a cake. Now I'm forcing him to watch Canto Mando with me because I'm obsessed with like Mike and Tiffany. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, we got sidetracked because I started watching YouTube instead of looking for the recipe. And he said we're supposed to make some strawberry pavlova.
Fuck the strawberries.
What if it tastes like really bad?
No, we just make the white part and just put.
What do you mean the white part?
Like the white part, like fuck the top.
Okay, so since you don't want to be in the video, this is what he got me. He got me one of those like cuddle things, and then it has like pockets. It's so big. It's like I've always just wanted it, and I just never got it, even though I'm on like Amazon like 24/7. Sit. Sit.
He's already sitting.
Oh, he's already sitting. Sit. Oh wait, you're already sitting.
I don't want strawberries.
Why don't you want strawberries? You're so good. I don't film you, okay, Mom? It's just
你不要封我啊！
呢個係鹹。
不可以破壞我的形象。
哦，冇，
唔可以邊我啊！
冇 film 啊，冇 film。This is 呢個係咩
Mix soup。
Heat the oven to 180 degrees. How do you heat it? Is that the oven? I thought this was the oven.
What is this? Isn't this an oven as well?
Is that a steamer? Okay, on.
Turn it off.
Oh. I'm just gonna use my fingers. It's so oily. This isn't softened. But what? Why are you smelling my head? Now it's water.
Well, it's softened.
I want to drink it. Wait. It smells so nice. We're eating all of that.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Walk into your house, nobody's home, just me and me alone.
We're using a knife. We literally have a mixer. Mom, say hi. Hi.
We're supposed to do the dumpling during the Chinese New Year, but we have hot pot, so we were too busy. So we do it right now for Valentine. 咁矮啊，咁矮好肥啊！包餃子啊，包餃子。
媽媽他打我。
咁樣整一半 ，OK？
Can I make 鼎泰豐？
鼎泰豐 I don't know. I never worked there. I don't know. 靚唔靚啊？
好靚。
靚唔靚啊？等你整完鼎泰豐啦，唔好食啦。
I can go work at 鼎泰豐。
你要黐住佢，咪一煮咧，啲嘢全部出晒嚟啊！
我出晒啊！
哦，好肉酸啊！
好瑞。
Like this, Lina。
你睇我個
好肉酸。
鼎泰豐。媽媽睇有冇有 potential？
冇啊！冇啊！幾靚？
Why is it so pretty？
靚唔靚啊？
Master class.
Yeah, like this. OK， 咁樣揸住佢，呢度一接上去 ，OK， and then 咁樣 ，and then 咁樣 ，see， see，
Empty.
empty, 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 empty. Oh my god!
漂亮吗？这样子，这样子漂亮吗？If you put not enough meat inside, then it doesn't look good. It looks so skinny.
Like him.
Yeah. 我咪做呢？Ah, beautiful. That is a good one.
Finesse.
Yeah.
Why are you touching the meat?
中的 ，OK？
喂，你这个什么东西
OK 啦，OK 啦。
？What is this?
那
Look at Asian boy pouring water. 喂。Amazing. Thank you, mommy.
那
His nose just goes like all the way up into the camera. Cake, cake.
Hot? Yeah.
We have to flip it. Did you just eat that? Oh, come out. Come out.
It's not how you do it.
I said come out, come out.
You have to use a knife first.
There's like a print of your head on it. Go like sideways and then like, yeah. So I told him to move Marco, right? And she puts him here. Do you think that's good? It looks like America. Is it even?
No.
How do people do this? Should I put more? Does that look yummy? No? No? It is a burger.
Yes, turn. Sorry. 这样子 turn. Oh.
There's still so much left. Why is this? It's like soup.
It looks like it's a drum.
这大一点你就漂亮了。我帮你好吗？
Mom comes to the rescue. 很重哎。You need help? Okay. Do we need to close it, right?
这不要了，不要了哈。
Yeah, 不要了。Wait, look at. Yeah. 切蛋糕。
how we do it?
Just good.
Just take. Con xin nào coi.
He just wants to eat it. He just wants to eat
你
it.
看姐姐，你看姐姐，
Yeah. I keep filming her like.
妈咪 selfie。Yeah, good boy. 妈咪 selfie。
First impressions. All set? It's good? 1 to 10. 1 to 10.
美味しいです。
1 to 10. 美味しい is 1 to 10.
9.99.
Oh. 1 to 10.
Diabetes.
No, is it good though?
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
It's good.
好吃，充满爱心，好多爱，好多爱心。
Oh wait, it's good.
It just looks ugly,
You
but
want?
it's good.
Don't judge a book by its
好吃
cover.
哎。
Now we're just watching a movie. All the boys, because we watched this last Valentine's Day, like the second part. So now we're gonna watch the last part. But thank you so much for watching. Are you gonna say anything?
Hello.
No, right. It's the ending.
Bye. Subscribe.
Yeah. Thanks.
Subscribe to Milk. Full send.
Okay, bye.
What a wonderful